Good morning student. Today I am going to start your topic refraction of light of chapter 10. Refraction of light has many practical applications of our daily life which we will discuss later. First of all, we will try to understand the definition of refraction of light. So its definition says that when light enters from one medium to another medium, it changes its path or bend away from its path. ठीक है, मीन्स टू से दैट कि जब प्रकाश एक माध्यम से दूसरे माध्यम में प्रवेश करता है, यह अपना रास्ता बदल लेता है या अपने रास्ते से मुड़ जाता है. ठीक है, मुड़ जाता है. ठीक है, तो हेयर वी विल सी दैट कि सम प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशंस वेयर वी विल सी द रिफ्रैक्शन ऑफ लाइट एक्चुअली हैपन्स. suppose this is your water of tank and it has a water in it. ठीक है, when we see when stand from outside, we see that the bottom of the tank appears to be raised. ठीक है, this all happens to the refraction of light because there are two mediums. ठीक है, outside this is air, ठीक है, and inside that is water. When light rays enters from here, ठीक है, one medium to another medium, air that is your rarer medium, water that is your denser medium. ठीक है, there are two types of mediums. ठीक है, rare medium and denser medium. When light enters from one medium to another medium, it changes its path or bends. ठीक है, bends away. So this is due to the refraction of light. The bottom of the tank appears to be raised. There is such more interesting examples. ठीक है, these examples you can do at your home. ठीक है, you can check. ठीक है, it is easily checked. Suppose this is your ball and it has also water in it. ठीक है, when you put a coin, ठीक है, suppose this is a coin inside it. When you see it here, you will see that the coin appears to be bigger from its actual size. ठीक है, अपने actual size से कुछ बड़ा दिखाई देगा आपको ये coin. ठीक है, there is such more interesting examples you can take here. Suppose this is your glass of water. Any container you can take it as. Okay, this is also water inside it. And when we put some lemons, suppose these are some lemons inside it, and when we see from outside the size, the lemons looks bigger from its actual size. ठीक है, ये भी अपने साइज से कुछ बड़े दिखाई देंगे. This is also, all these phenomena are due to the refraction of light because all has a medium to medium. ठीक है, the air that is water. ठीक है, this is also air, this is also water, and when light enter from one medium to another, it changes or bend away, ठीक है, from its path. This is all happening. This is due to the refraction of light. Okay, some more applications which we use in our nature, that is the formation of rainbow. ठीक है, formation of rainbow in the sky. Formation of rainbow in the sky. There is some natural phenomena. ठीक है, this actually occurs in the nature due to the refraction of light. ठीक है, which we will discuss later in the next topics. So next we will discuss here the refraction of light through a glass slab. This is very important topic of your chapter. Very important, refraction of light through a glass slab. Here we will understand how refraction takes place through a glass slab. Okay beta. So for this we have to perform an activity, and for this activity we need a sheet of white paper, a drawing board, drawing pins, all pins. Okay beta, we need these materials to perform this activity. Suppose so these drawing board are not available at your home, ठीक है. So we will choose this sheet is as a sheet of paper. Okay, so here we will perform an activity. What will we do? Suppose this is your sheet. Okay, so what will we have to next? We have to place a glass slab, rectangular glass slab. We have to place a rectangular glass slab in the middle of the sheet and named it as A, B, C and D. Okay, first of all we place a rectangular glass slab over the sheet of paper and mark an outline, okay, with pencil, okay, and remove the glass slab from there. Next we take 4 all pins of identical size. What will we do next? We draw a line over here and we fix 2 pins. Okay, suppose these 2 pins, we fix 2 pins over this line. Suppose we name these pins E and F. Okay, we name these pins E and F. Next what will we do? We sit here from the opposite side of this glass slab and look at the images of these 2 pins from through this glass slab and fix 2 another pins. Suppose this G, we name the given this name is G and H, and we join these 2 pins also over here. Okay beta, and suppose these 2 pins, the line joining, that is EF line, intersect the face AB at point O, and this HG meets intersect this subface CD of glass slab at O dash. Okay beta, this line HG interface intersect the CD surface at O dash and EF at O. Next what will we do? We join O and O dash. We will join O and O dash here, and next what we will do? We draw 2 perpendiculars. Suppose here, okay, N and N dash at O, and here we will also draw 2 perpendiculars, M and M dash here. M dash perpendicular at point O dash, and N dash perpendicular at point O. So next what we do? We produce this EF line, okay, with dotted line over here, this, okay, which is parallel to the emergent ray. Okay, this is your incident ray EF which we produce further, and which is parallel to the, this is incident ray. Okay, here EF is incident ray, O dash is refracted ray, O dash H, this is your emergent ray, okay. Let us repeat. EF is incident ray, O dash is refracted, not reflected, it is refracted ray, and O dash H is emergent ray. We produce this incident ray, okay, which is parallel to the emergent ray. Okay, so why it is parallel to, we will discuss later. So first of all we discuss some points here. As we know about from the definition of refraction of light, that when a ray of light enter from one medium to another medium, okay, here is one medium is air, that is rarer medium, that is your medium 1. Inside it is a glass slab. This is your denser medium, that is medium 2. Okay, and according to the definition of refraction of light, what we see that when a ray of light enter from one medium to another medium, it bends, it changes its path or bend, okay, from its path. So actually it happens here when this when ray of light enter from air to glass, that is from rare to denser medium, it changes its path. Okay, now here is also case. Now this is the denser medium, that is glass slab. Outside is also again air, that is your rarer medium. ठीक है. Actually here say when the light rays from enter from one medium to another, it again refract, it again changes its position, its path. ठीक है. That is becomes emergent ray. Here is angles between, that is I1, that is the angle of incidence. This angle is R1, that is angle of refraction. Here is also again, this is your next angle I2, this angle of incidence. Listen beta, this EF ray is incident ray for this face AB, and OO dash is refracted ray for this face AB, but OO dash is incident ray again for this face CD. इस फेस CD के लिए OO dash incident है, that is why it makes an angle I2. ठीक है. It's again is angle of emergent you can write also, and you can write also angle of refraction again. ठीक है. That you can also say that angle of emergent, angle E. ठीक है. Angle of emergent. ठीक है. But refract change its path, we say named it as R2. I1 R1 and I2 R2. These are the angle of incidence and angle of refractions. Okay beta. So what we say that here, when a ray of light enter from one medium to another medium, it changes its path. So here is medium is air, that is rare medium, glass slab is denser medium. So ray of light changes its path. Actually what happened, there are two more important points, ठीक है, which we discuss here. When a light enters from a rarer medium, that is air, to, ठीक है, when a ray of light enters from rarer medium, that is air, to denser medium, that is glass or water. What actually happens, ray of light, when a ray of light enter from one medium to another, that is air to glass, air to water, what happens here, it bend towards the normal, it bend towards the normal, it bend towards the normal. ठीक है. This is the most important points. ठीक है. You have to keep in your mind. ठीक है. When a light enters from rarer medium, that is air, to denser medium, glass or water, it bend towards. ठीक है. See here,